Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last lesson we have learned the structure of HTML. In this video we will learn about some tags that are used for styling our text. These are the codes that we have written in the last video. So let's style this sentence first. For that, copy this sentence and delete it. Then paste the sentence inside p tag. After that, run the code. It looks like nothing has changed. But if you look carefully you will see that it is drawn a little space around your text. Then let's know how to make your text bigger or smaller. If we enter any website, first we see the heading. To make headings we will need heading tags. Heading tags are known as H tags. There are total 6 heading or H tags. They are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. In H tags, H1 is bigger than H2, and H2 is bigger than H3. It means H1 tag is the largest heading tag, and H6 is the smallest. Now write anything using H1 tag. For me I am writing, hey. Then, run the code. You see, we have finally got our first heading. To show the size difference between H tags, I am using every H tags. Now, it will be easy to you to understand the size. Now let's move our text to the center. For that, we have to use a center tag. But this time, we have to write H1 tag and text both inside center tag. Like this. Then, run the code. You see our heading has moved to the center. Now we have to learn about some styling tags. These are some styling tags. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. First, I am using B tag, which is used to mark the words. You can see the texture of the YouTube has changed. Now, if you want to move to the next line, you have to use BR tag. Here in the code, I have moved to the next line and used BR tag. That's why in the output it is showing 2 line gaps. But if you move to new tab, it will show only 1 line gap. Because in the web page, if you want to move to the next line, you must use BR tag. Unless it will be in the same line. Now, let's try to highlight our text. For that, we will need a mark tag. Move to the next line and use mark tag. Then inside the mark tag, write the words that you want to highlight. For me I am writing hello. Then, run it again. You can look that text has been highlighted. Now, what we have to do, if we want to less the side of our code. For that, we have to just simply use a small tag, like this. Now, if you want to write any scientific name like H2O, we will need to write 2 a little bit higher. But if you simply type H2O, the 2 won't go higher. To do that, we have to use a subtag. Like this. Now you can see, the 2 has moved a little bit higher. If you need to write the 2 a little down, you have to use subtag, like we have used subtag. These are the tags we have learned in this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.